So, good day everyone. Karon nga adlaw mag-discuss ko about aning programming and logic. So, introduction to programming and logic. What is programming? Programming is the background of most of the gadgets we use today. Over the last several decades, programming and programming language have evolved a lot. Some may call these changes a life-changing evolution. So sa atong panahon karon, ang palibot kay napuno na jud og gadgets like cell phones, laptop, smartwatch and uban pa. Kini sila nga mga butang nagatabang sa atong pang-adlaw-adlaw nga kinabuhi karon, mas napasayon ang dagan sa atong kinabuhi tungod sa programming. Nya katong nga mga butang po dili to siya mahimo o wala pud ang programming. So programming and logic. Logical thinking is one of the most necessary skills for success in programming. There are many ways to improve your programming logic. But the most important thing you can do for your kids is encourage them to start early. Logical thinking starts in childhood. Playing chess, solving simple puzzles, working through Sudoku puzzles, and other similar games enhance logical thinking skills and logic. So, ang logical thinking kuno jud kay necessary jud siya, like gikinahanglan jud siya para mahimong successful ang imuhang programming. Gikinahanglan jud ang logical thinking para mahimo nga maayo or nindot ang imuhang programming skills. So, dagay pa maagi ani paron ma-enhance imong programming skills or imong logical thinking sama sa pagbuhat og puzzles, himo ka og sudoku puzzles, chess, and many more. Reading about data structures and algorithms will boost your logic reasoning skills considerably. Thinking about and writing algorithms is a great activity as well. Take a sorting of searching problems and try to come up with different solutions on your own. Then, compare what you've come up with to known algorithms as you read, understand, and practice algorithms. You can also read resources on target programming language. It is also important to master common data structures such as these 6 data structures. So, importante jud nga magbasa ka aning mga data structures and algorithms kay makatabang ni siya og boost sa imong logic and reasoning skills. Nya pwede po ka mag-practice og suwat og algorithms. Nya i-try nimo siya og like basta nya mag-search ka og mga like solutions nya nga daghan solutions imong sulbadon tahay ang algorithms kay problema man na siya. Mag-try ka come up og mga solutions nya imo lang i-compare isa-isa mo ni siya ang practice para ma-improve ang imuhang logic and reasoning skills. So, improve your programming logic. 1. Think to solve. 2. Practice. 3. Learn about data structures and algorithms. 4. Learn programming paradigms. 5. Look at the people's code. So, next, think to solve. So, muna siya yung number 1. So, number 1, think to solve. Programming is about solving problems. A good technique is to split the big problem in small ones to focus on each problem in a better way. And you can use pseudocode in a program or in a simple paper. So, ang programming daw kay about ni siya sa pagsulba jud og problema. Nay technique nga makapainhance imong solving skills pud nga imong i-break down ang dako nga problema, imong bahin-bahinon nimo siya sa mga gagmay niya. Isa-isahon nimo og focus sila nga mga problema aron mas sayon kibali sa imo. Pwede po ka maggamit og pseudocode sa imong program or in a simple paper aron mas makita jud nimo og tarong ang imuhang gibuhat. So, number 2, practice. Practice. The most important point is this. Practice. An algorithm is nothing more than an ordered and finite set of operations that we carry out for the sole purpose of finding a solution to a problem. So, try to practice simple problems to get a better logic. So, no, sa gigon dire, practice yun ang pinaka-importante. And ang algorithm is, kung ano dyan siya, problema rin ang algorithm. Problema siya nga, pangitaan mo siya solution. So, mag-practice sa jud ka para mamaayo ka kung ano need yun ni siya para mamaayo ka sa imong pag-program and mas ma-enhance imong logical thinking. So, next, learn about data structures and algorithms. So, learning about structures will give you a better plan to focus your problems and have an efficient software. You can play games like chess and practice mathematics. So, kinahanglan ka magtuon about aning structures para makakita ka og mas ma-enhance imong pag-plan and focus sa imong mga problema aron mas ma-efficient imong software. You can play chess, pwede ka maluwag chess or mag-practice kag mathematics para ma-enhance jud imong learning sa data structures niya algorithms kay solving problems man need jud ka maayo og pag-solve aning mga problema kay mo may kinakuan jud mo need kayo sa programming. So, next, improve your programming logic. So, learn programming paradigms. Number 4, a very good point is to learn programming paradigms. Probably one of the most programming paradigm is the object-oriented paradigm, OOP. A programming paradigm is like a blueprint to follow create our projects. You can learn functional programming to learn how you can develop programming and solve problems in a different way. So no, ang kuan paradigm kay nothing more siya but a blueprint to jud. Ginagamit ni siya para maka-follow ka sa imong project. Anya maka-learn pug ka sa imong functional program para ma-learn po nimo saan pag-develop nya solve imong gibuhat nga program, ma-solve nimo siya sa daghan nga pamaagi. So number 5, look at other people's code. Kini. So many ways to solve problems. Maybe another person solve the problem that you can have in an optimal and simple way. Looking at other people's minds is essential to advance as a programmer. You have a GitHub to see a lot of great projects. So, og maglisod ka og kuan sa imong program, pwede man nimo siya ipa-solve sa lain. Kay if wala pa jud ka na master ana, pwede man ka mag-kuan like mga kag tabang bitaw. Ipa-try nimo solve sa ila. And na kanang magkuha ra ka og kuan pod kahibaw-an sa ila gikan. Kay dili man jud magsugod tanan sa kamaayo mo nang dili po ka magpa-kuan hero-hero tahay. Kay magkuan man jud moagi man jud ta og beginner. So mao ra to diri sa number 5. So diri na ta sa summary. A computer is an electric device that can perform activities that involve mathematical, logical, and graphical manipulations. So, generally, the term is used to describe a collection of devices that functions together as a system. So, ang computer is electronic device siya nga maka-perform siya og activities nga nag-involve og mathematical nga na po siya ay logical, graphical nga kuan like sa system niya na siya ay logical and graphical nga manipulation. So ang gi-describe jud diri kay kuan mura ra siya og kuan collection of devices nga nagnigana as kuan buo aron ma-form siya og system. So next, so laptop advancement has resulted in making available almost every sort of portable computers as are matching with needs of every person. This is an introduction to the models of the portable computers, i.e. laptops. So ang laptop kay mura siya og kuan na siya para sa computer pero ang nakakuan yun sa laptop kay madala-dala ra nimo kuan siya bisan aha madala nya kuan like portable sayon na siya nya gamit jud siya kayo sa punta sa eskwelahan sigaha ka mo kuan gamit jud siya kay madadara man nimo siya sige bali siya ang advancement sa computer ana bali siya ang next evolution. Maura to sa ang akong discussion about programming and logic. Thank you sa pagpaminaw.